Alrighty, boys and girls, like I told you, some new changes, new developments on the channel. And there's the missus. This is the new homestead. We moved 2 hours south of where we currently are, and this is the project, the next project in the never-ending slew of projects that we got to do. So we got a barn, mini barn that needs a new roof with a lean-to on the back that's just destroyed. Yeah, we got that to take care of. We got a bush here with some garbage in there that's got to be cleaned up. Always garbage, you know. Always garbage. So we're gonna clean this up, burn some of this crap, make it look decent. I want to get it so that when you come here and cut the grass, you're not running into stuff. So yeah, it's the New Brunswick way. So when you're a Brunsy, you throw all your shit in the back of the yard and just let it keep piling up and up and up, because that's what you do. So that's what was did. I think this come off the front porch. We'll do a walk around. We'll have to figure that out. There was some really nice planks here that was cut, mill lumber. Again, more stuff piled up. There's an old tire back there. Water barrel. Cool bush. I'm going to take Tookie on a hike through here. This is going to be fun. This will be the fun part of it. Oh, we got there. Big old wire spool. This is just like crazy to walk through, so we'll clean a path. Get all this cleaned up. Look at the burrow there. So somebody must have been an electrician, because I see a little wire spool and I see a big wire spool. And what else we got here? That looks like it was a dory. It might have been a dory. That I'm not too happy about. There's 2 barrels. So we got to see what's in those barrels. That's scary. I didn't notice that till now. There was all snow. You couldn't get back here when we bought the place. But those will be coming out. They're mostly rusted away anyway. And just typical garbage. I mean, this really isn't the property, but it's pretty close. So what do you do, right? Do you clean it up, or do you leave it? I'd kind of like to make a path back here. So I guess we will clean it up to a certain degree. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, I'm wearing steel toes with the puncture resistant sole, so not too worried about it. Yeah, that spool is being consumed. There's a chunk of chimney. I'm telling you what people do. It doesn't make any sense to me. Why do you put garbage in the back of your house, you know? It's just crazy. Like, they throw everything. It's like your first instinct is to chuck it. Right? Is that what the first instinct is? I guess I don't understand it. I guess I like to be a little cleaner with my property. So, yeah. Here's the bush that I don't own. It's at the back of my house that I do own. Lots of little cedars here. That's kind of cool. It's even straight. It's kind of a rarity, is a straight cedar. Anything that, don't know if there's anything that looks like it's going to fall into my property. I'll have to go through it. See what looks like it's gonna fall and what maybe isn't. So yeah, I'll cut a hole. Oh, this one fell over here. Yeah, I'll clean this one up and make a path. This will be a nice path. That'll give me something to do. Get the grandson out here. So, yeah, well, this will all get burnt. It'll be burning for a while, a few days anyway. Like I said, I'm not happy about the tires in the old barrels. They may have been burn barrels here because they do have a couple of them about. But we'll get all this cleaned up here. Here's an idea. You can tell we're close to the ocean because that's clams. That's what's laying on the ground there, clamshells. So they did some clam fishing and dumped the shells there. That's okay, that's organic. So we'll just get it all cleaned up. Do some burning, some cleaning. Pick a non-windy day. Garden boxes. That's the back patio. So yeah, that's the new shop. I'll take you over to that. So all this yard over here is mine. That's the cat dominium. The previous owners had a cat that lived in that. So it's still pretty spring. It's a beautiful day out though. So that's where we're at. So here's the shop. This is going to be the new shop. There's the old errands. Got the snow blowers in here. It reeks of something that's got paint. It's got a really, really heavy paint smell. So there's paint thinners or something in here, and it's driving me bananas. I got to clean that out. I got all week to work on this, and I got to go back and work on the other place. So I'm going to hang clean it up, hang some light fixtures, so it's a little bit better than this weird stuff we got here. I'll see what I'm going to do. I'll get it cleaned up. So that's what we're up to. I'll stand by. We'll take a quick run back to the shed. I'll show you guys that. All right, so here's the mini barn inside. We got some work to do here. More goofy shelving to redo. And I don't know if there's a lot of wood rot, but the floor seems to be buckled. Could be wintertime buckling. That's a big thing out here, so we'll get all that fixed. The tires have got to go. I don't want them. They're not mine. I got to clean up some wood. Lots of wood to burn. So we're lucky in that aspect. I never seen so many nails in one place. I don't see any animal scat. There's power that I don't believe works. So we're going to have to figure that out. What happened to the power? We're being brave here, boys and girls. Going up here. Woo, dark. Sherry. Ooh, very scary. What do we got here? I don't know. I can't see. Can you guys see? I can't see. You can see the holes in the roof. Is that more of the missing screens from the house? Could be. Could be. Well, I hope I don't fall through here. It looks okay. There's just the weirdest collection of junk. I hate broken glass, I'll tell you. There's nothing I dislike more than broken glass. Oh gosh. Okay, I am up. And let's see what happens here. Is this going to open? I don't have any tools with me, do I? No, I got a padlock. You ain't doing much with a padlock. That's stuck. What did you do here, boys? What did you do here? Huh? There we go. Jim Bob did it. Uh-oh. Nasty guys. Frickin' wasps. Oh boy. They're still groggy. It's cold. So we know what we got to do there. Yep, sorry. I just panicked over the wasps here. Not a real big fan. Not a real big fan at all. So I'll get some wasp killer. Get rid of them. Does that help? See? Well, the camera's bringing up more light. Just shelves and stuff. Yeah, we got some wasps to kill. Fish net. Some more screens. That's good. Found some more screens that belong to the house. Okay. Like I said, more firewood. Now I'm paranoid. One of these guys is climbing around on me. Springs! Look at that. All covered with springs. And some washery things. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I guess we got some work to do here. Get some wasp spray so we can work safely. Because I don't like getting bit. Okay. Let's head her back down. I'll pause so I can stay focused. So yeah, another new roof to do. You guys saw that? There's them killer hornets. Buggers. And get rid of them. Well, somebody's roosters are getting active. That's good. Because, you know, dead roosters are not as fun as active roosters. So that's the place. It needs a little bit of work inside. Not too bad. Good 200 amp electrical service there. We're going to put some heat pumps in it. Driveway's basically asphalt. She's lumpy bumpy. Here's the front yard. Front porch needs some work. We're going to get working on that. Get the weed trimmer out maybe tomorrow. Clean up a little bit. See how it goes. Nothing too crazy. I thought you guys might get a kick out of this. Because this is the way to do things. Yeah. We'll be fixing that. Getting that out of the way. I can just see the kids getting hurt on that. So we got a little bit of work to do. It's not too bad. Got some brushes to trim. Some stuff to clean up. But everything seems to be okay. Sorry, I'm out of the shot. I'm seeing this mostly for the first time because of all the snow that we had. So, and there's the cat dominium. Anybody has a cat that they want to send over and spend the weekend with us, you're welcome to it. There's obligatory cat toys in there. So, that's kind of cool. And yeah, I got to clean this siding. Wow, she's full of mold. They did try to clean it. This almost looks like, when I first saw it, it was paint, but somebody was trying. Look at the caulking. Whew. I don't know how I'm going to, maybe heat gun, I don't know. Try and clean that mess up. But I'm going to scrub all this moss, mildew, everything off the back of the place. It's going to take a little bit of work, but we'll get her done. So that's the new shop. That's the mini barn. That's the gazebo. Sit outside, have some adult beverage. Maybe we'll get the fire set up in a different location than there. But Mrs. Jim's New Brunswick homestead wants to move this over to there. I haven't done a video for a while with fingers in it, so there you go. So this is going to be moving over to there. We'll get the tractor and we'll see if we can do a coordinated lift with the two tractors once we get them up here and move it over. But beautiful day. It was cold, and I think the temperature feels like it's changing again. Anyway, that's where we are for now. So I'm going to close the video. Just thought I'd let you guys know. Did I get a shot of the front of the house? I'll get a shot of the front of the house from the road before we close this video up. And then there's the terrain. You guys see us do videos on it. Needs a set of tires. I'm going to put tires on it. If you guys, so there's a shot of the house. I think it's a good little house. So this is where we are now. We're closer to the grandkids. We're closer to Moncton, and yeah, everything's going to be good. So without further ado, I'm going to close the video. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for stepping in or stopping by, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.